How to clear all drafts on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you're looking to clear your drafts on your iPhone, then there are a few ways on how you can do so. First things first, you can simply go ahead and open the Photos application on your device and then go to the Recents folder. Here, go ahead and select the unwanted photos or videos and then tap on the delete button you see there at the bottom. Additionally, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for recently deleted. Tap on it and then go ahead and tap on the select option on the top right of your screen and then tap on the three dots on the bottom right. Here, you will see the option for delete all. Tap on it and this will permanently free your storage. The next method on how you can clear your draft is go ahead and open any video editing app such as CapCut. Further, once open, tap on the projects or drafts option you see there and then tap on the edit option or select option. Additionally, go ahead and choose the videos that occupy a lot of space and then tap on delete. Further, tap on the trash option you see there and then tap on select again and then go ahead and select all the videos that you want to delete and then tap on the delete button you see there in order to clear drafts on your iPhone. Similarly, you can do so for social media apps too, such as Instagram drafts or TikTok drafts. So simply open Instagram or TikTok and then go ahead and clear the drafts that you have saved for your profile if that is not required anymore. Also, you can open the mailbox on your device and then go to drafts there too and then delete any kind of drafts that is no longer required with you. Further, go ahead and open files on your device and then check for downloads or on my iPhone and then delete unused documents or exports. Additionally, go ahead and open the settings application on your device and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, check which apps use the most space and then delete or offload apps that is storing drafts a lot. And finally, go ahead and try to restart your iPhone after cleanup, as this will help refresh your storage. So these were a few ways on how you can clear all drafts on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.